안녕하세요, 여러분, and welcome to the lesson 57 of Hello Korean. In this lesson, we are going to learn a grammar that is myeon-seo. If you see this example, 운전 하면서 음악을 들어요. I listen to the music while driving means two actions at the same time. Coming to the learning objectives, see here, to make the sentences to express the happening of two actions simultaneously by using the grammar myeon-seo. Clear, 여러분? Now coming to the introduction part, see here the first example, 저는 운전해요. That is action verb or verb 1, meaning is I drive. Second is 저는 음악을 들어요. I listen to the music. So what is happening here? Two simultaneous actions. So how we can express these two actions in Korean? Yes, by using the grammar myeon-seo. Now this sentence will be changed to, see number 3, 저는 운전하면서 음악을 들어요. I listen to the music while driving. Clear, 여러분? See here, again, driving and listening to the music is going on at the same time. Now coming to the explanation part, see here first point, myeon-seo is used to express the two action or states that happens simultaneously. Meaning of simultaneous is at the same time. See 1.1, in other words, the action of the first verb and the second verb is happening at the same time. 1.2, similar English meanings will be while doing, while happening, or at the same time. Coming to the conjugation rules, it can be attached with all three, nouns, verbs and adjectives. But majority of the times this grammar is used only with the action verbs. So our focus in this lesson will be only on action verbs. Now let's see the conjugation rules in details. See the first category with pachim. What we have to add? We have to add myeon-seo. See first example, mokta will be magu myeon-seo. Second category, there is no pachim, and third category with the, yes, there is a la pachim. So in number 2 and number 3, what we have to add? We have to add myeon-seo. So number 2, mashida will be mashi myeon-seo. Number 3, mandalda will be, yes, mandal myeon-seo. So again, you have to be very careful with the la pachim. This is the part where most of the student makes error, 여러분. La pachim, but we have to add not myeon-seo. Only in this case, what we have to add? Myeon-seo. Again, mandalda, mandal myeon-seo. Now tell me what will be salda? Yes, sal myeon-seo. Phalda, phal myeon-seo. Yolda, yol myeon-seo. Next. Now it's time to see the conjugation rules in more details. Verb stem ends in a pachim, add myeon-seo. See few more examples. Number 1, mokta magu myeon-seo. Number 2, ikta ilgu myeon-seo. Number 3, ditta dhru myeon-seo. Number 4, chupta chu myeon-seo. Number 5, natta will be na myeon-seo. So number 3, number 4 and number 5 are the irregular conjugation. Come to the next category, verb stems ends in a vowel or la pachim. What we have to add? Yes, 잘했어요 여러분, myeon-seo. So number 6 will be khada, khada will be kha myeon-seo. Number 7, mashida, mashi myeon-seo. Number 8, koruda, koru myeon-seo. Number 9, mandalda, mandal myeon-seo. Number 10, kumbu hada, kumbu ha myeon-seo. So again the same request. Please make this table once. Yes, in your notebooks, 여러분. Without making this table, these rules will not be clear. Can you do that? नहीं. 감사합니다, 여러분. Let's move to the vocabulary card practice. These are the dhano card. What you have to do? See the first example, that is hada. What you have to see? There is a pachim, there is a no pachim or la pachim. Considering these three situations, you have to add u myeon-seo or myeon-seo with these words. So tell me, what will be hada? Nee, 잘했어요. ha myeon-seo. Number 2, ikta. ilgu myeon-seo. Number 3, mandalda. Nee, 여러분. Tell me the answer. 만들 면서 or 만들 면서. 네, 만들 면서. 잘했습니다, 여러분. 감사합니다. Number 4, 기다리다, 기다리면서. Number 5, 이야기하다, 이야기하면서. So now we hope conjugation part is clear to all of you. It's time to see few examples. See number 1. A. 수지 씨, 지금 뭐 하고 있어요? So see this situation, reading book and drinking coffee. Answer is 책을 읽으면서 커피를 마시고 있어요. Please have focus on the 우면서 grammar here. 읽으면서. While reading a book, I am drinking coffee. Are you getting the point, 여러분? What are the two parallel actions, simultaneous actions in this situation? Yes, book reading and coffee drinking. See one more example. A. 마틴 씨, 요즘 뭐 하고 있어요? 마틴 씨 replied, 회사에 다니면서 한국어를 공부하고 있어요. Again, keep focus on 다니면서. Yes. What is the meaning? I am studying Korean language at an institute while working at a company. So what is this situation? Martin Shi is working at a company and he is learning Korean language also at some institute. Clear, 여러분? Are you understanding the meaning of the myeon-seo? One more point. See carefully. What is the similar English meaning? Yes, while. ilgu myeon-seo, while reading. Thani myeon-seo, while working. One more example. Number 3. See. 주말에 뭐 했어요? So, 친구하고 산책하면서 이야기했어요. Keep focus on myeon-seo grammar. Can you find out in the answer? 네, 산책하면서. So, I talked to my friend while taking a walk. So, what are the two parallel actions, simultaneous actions, walking and talking, 여러분? 산책하다. What is the meaning of 산책하다? To take a walk, 여러분. 네. 이야기하다, talking. So, 친구하고 산책하면서 이야기했어요. One more example. Number 4. 취미가 뭐예요? What's your hobby? Might be some of you also having the same hobby, 여러분. 네. 저는 기타를 치면서 노래해요. So, 기타를 치면서 while playing the guitar, I sing. So, what are the two actions? Playing guitar and singing at the same time. See, again in number 3 and number 4, the similar English meaning is coming while. Now grammar is clear. 감사합니다, 여러분. It's time to do an exercise. See number 1, international. 네. You have to complete this sentence by using the action verb which is given in the bracket. Here is poda. Very simple, 여러분. Remove the. There is no pachim. What you will add? 네. Number 2. 노래를 네, 춤을 췄어요. Number 3. 커피를 네, 신문을 읽어요. Number 4. 사진을 찍었어요. If you are able to do this exercise correctly, now you know this grammar very well, 여러분. 네. 했어요. Take your time. Don't be in hurry. After doing, please check the answers here. See, number 1, 보면서. Number 2, 부르면서. Number 3, 마시면서. And number 4, 여행하면서. So, it's time to understand the supplements. Restrictions, these are very important points, 여러분. Please understand them clearly. Number one, the subject of both action must be same. This means the same person must do both the actions. Also, the subject is mentioned only once with the first action. So what is the meaning of this statement? See number one. 1.1 is 수지 씨는 기타를 치면서 마틴 씨는 노래를 불러요. Tell me why this sentence is wrong. Yes. Can you see here? There are two subjects, Suji she and Matin she. So two different person. Yes, these are two different persons. They are doing the action. So we cannot use this grammar in this situation. Clear, 여러분? Please don't do this type of mistake. Come to 1.2. 수지 씨는 기타를 치면서 수지 씨는 노래를 불러요. 여러분, no need to mention the same subject two times. Just with the first action verb, you can mention the subject. Clear, 여러분? No need second time. So how to correct is C 1.3. 수지 씨는 기타를 치면서 노래를 불러요. So this restriction is very, very, very important, 여러분. Subject of both action must be the same. Yes, 여러분. Please make notes for it. Come to the second restriction, 여러분. Past tense and future tense markers cannot be added. C 2.1. 저는 어제 노래를 했으면서 기타를 쳤습니다. C 2.2. 저는 어제 노래를 하면서 기타를 쳤습니다. So what is the difference here? C. Past tense. Can you find out now? 했으면서. No need, 여러분. Why? Because past tense is already coming at the end of the sentence in this case. So how to make past tense sentences with the myeon-seo? Just shift past tense at the end of the sentence. Next, number 3. myeon-seo can be replaced by similar meaning grammar, that is myeon. myeon is more common in lectures, scripts and presentations. How? C 3.1. 저는 뉴스를 보면서 아침밥을 먹어요. 3.2. 저는 뉴스를 보며 아침밥을 먹어요. Both these sentences are correct, expressing the same meaning. One more, 여러분. This is the last one. Number 4. Also used to express two contrast situations occurring at the same time. How? C 4.1. 저 식당은 음식도 맛 없으면서 값이 너무 비싸요. The food at that restaurant is not delicious and at the same time it is too expensive. 4.2. 그 집은 거실이 넓으면서 부엌이 좁아요. The house has a large living room and at the same time having a small kitchen. C 4.2 again. 그 집은 거실이 넓으면서 부엌이 좁아요. So please make notes for this. 4 restrictions are there, supplements are there, and now it's time to see some more examples. See number 1. While reading these examples, you have to repeat with me and keep focus on myeon-seo or myeon-seo. Let's start. I will read. You have to repeat with me. Number 1. 영화를 보면서 팝콘을 먹어요. Number 2. 이 책을 읽으면서 기다리세요. Number 3. 저는 청소하면서 음악을 들어요. Number 4. 저는 밥을 먹으면서 텔레비전을 봐요. Number 5. 저는 친구를 기다리면서 잡지를 읽고 있었어요. One more time. Number 5. 저는 친구를 기다리면서 잡지를 읽고 있었어요. Number 6. 마틴 씨는 대면 수업하면서 비대면 수업도 해요. Number 7. 수진 씨는 대학교에 다니면서 한국어를 공부해요. Number 8. 저는 한국 드라마를 보면서 한국어를 번역하고 싶어요. Number 9. 가방이 예쁘면서 비싸요. Number 10. 유키 씨는 학생이면서 회사원입니다. If you see here, number 9 sentence is with adjectives 예쁘다 and number 10 is with the noun 학생 with 이다 form 학생이다. Clear 여러분? Now it's time to do the wrap up of this lesson. See, first point, myeon-seo is used to express the two actions or states that happen simultaneously. In other words, we can say the action of first verb and the second verb is happening at the same time. And if you memorize only this one sentence is here, 저는 운전하면서 음악을 들어요, this grammar is over permanently, forever. Again, 저는 운전하면서 음악을 들어요. 1.2, similar English meaning, while or at the same time. 1.3, if the stem ends in a consonant, add myeon-seo, or if in a vowel or la consonant, add myeon-seo. 1.3, conjugation rule is over. And C 1.4, very, very important, 여러분, the subject of both the actions must be same. So can you repeat with me once again? Say, 저는 운전하면서 음악을 들어요. 다시 한번 따라하세요, 여러분. One more time repetition. Say, 저는 운전하면서 음악을 들어요. 네, 잘했습니다. In the next lesson, we are going to start a grammar that is unmodified with adjectives. 감사합니다, 여러분. And you are learning Korean language. So you must learn Korean culture also. So where to learn Korean culture, 여러분? Just go to the homepage of the Korean Culture Center India, Facebook, Instagram, and you will find lots of information about Korean language, Korean culture, lots of events, Korean classes. So your knowledge about Korea will be increased, and if you want to learn Korean language successfully, you must know Korean culture also at the same time. So see you in the next lesson, 여러분. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계십시오. 다음에 뵐게요.